Hello, kindergarten. Let's draw Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Make sure you have your paper tall, have a pencil ready, and we're going to start in the middle, and we're going to draw a circle. Paper wants to move there. Now, under this circle, all the way to the bottom of the page, we're going to draw 2 waterfalls. And then 2 lines next to it. And then we're going to come back up to the circle. This is his head. We're going to draw a C on this side for his ear and a backward C on this side to be his other ear. Sorry, I'm moving the paper out of the way. Our next step is we're going to draw 2 filled in circles for his eyes. And then they're going to have a curved line on top. That's his eyelid. And then another curved line above it for his eyebrow. In between, under his eyes, we're going to do a rainbow curve for his nose. Now, below, we're going to draw zigzags that get shorter when you get to the middle of the nose. And repeat it. I'm going to do it backwards from what they say. I'm going to start small and come out big on this side and start small and come out big on this side because Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was known for his mustache. I kind of think this side should be a little bit bigger. There we go. That looks better. And then give him a smile. Now under his head, watch carefully. We're going to draw 2 lines that go out and 2 lines that come in, just like that. And then the 2 lines are going to go down and down. And at the bottom, we're going to connect them with a V. Our next step right here is from the top of the shoulder to the tie. We're going to add that there. And then we're going to come back up and give him some hair. And we're going to do rainbow bumps from one ear to the other. Rainbow bumps. Can you see the rainbow bumps? All the way from ear to ear. And there you have Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Now, when you go to color, one thing you can do, boys and girls, is where you drew with your pencil, you can go back over it with a black marker or even a black crayon, and it makes it pop on the page. Might be something Mr. Murray has mentioned to you in art class. Now, the other thing is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a real person. So in this case, we're going to use what we call in art class scientific coloring. That means we're going to make it look like a real person. So I will tell you right now, he did not have purple skin. He did not have orange skin. So we need to make him look like a real person. And then you can add some details around him. And that, my dears, is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.